now we're here at ECOC. We're talking to Chris Wong about C and L band for coherent modules. So, yeah. Chris, we'll get a close-up of that later.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, what's going on? There's these like large spikes going up.
Yeah, absolutely. So what we're showing is our 800 gig ZR. This year we have an L band, so that's the wavelength to the left.
L band is like what, twice as much capacity in the fiber?
So what you want to do is that you sort of have your L band and your C band, and you could go and mux those together eventually on the same span of fiber, and so it essentially doubles the capacity that an end customer is able to go and use eventually.
Same hardware, double the data.
Yeah, so for us it is probably be a couple of different SKUs. So you sort of have your C band module and L band module that'll be fully tunable in the L band for one and fully tunable in the C band for the other. So we're showing our L band sort of in that wavelength to the left, and then we're showing a number of different modes in the C band, right? Okay. So using our Orion DSP from our sister BU, we're able to go and put in the same module a number of different modes. So depending on how far the end customer needs to go in terms of distance, they have a number of different choices. So we're showing an 800 gig standard 16 QAM. We have an 800 gig PCS. We have a 600 gig PCS. We have 400 gig 16 QAM and another 400 gig QPSK. And you can kind of see that also in sort of the spectrum of the different lambdas in the C band as well.
Excellent. That's great. Yeah, it's a longer distance, lower data rate, but the same part.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's the same part. So really, there's some trade-offs that the end customer is allowed to make in order to go and get exactly what they need.
Now, I don't know if it's on this demo. We had before showing compatibility, right? So like you can actually, one module from one manufacturer using Orion is compatible.
Yeah, absolutely. And we've done that, and we've published an interop with a couple of the other partners who also use Orion from our sister BU. So there's other modules, and obviously the industry requires that we sort of interoperate with a number of different module vendors. And so we've shown that in, for example, the OIF booth this year, and also some additional testing for 500 kilometers with our standard 800 gig ZR, and we're over 1,000 kilometers actually with our PCS mode at 800.
And I gotta ask you one more thing.
Sure.
This has been great, the show. Have you seen anything else at the show that you've really that stuck out in your mind from any company or anything like that?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't gone around it enough, I suppose, which I guess I will today.
Excellent. Hey, well, thanks very much.
Absolutely. Thanks, Mike.